All right, next up, we've got a couple of things right here that how we buy meat. We buy ground beef by the chub like this, and we buy pork tenderloins like this for pork chops. So we want to have a pork tenderloin, maybe the center cut. We'll leave that out and we'll cut these into chops, and we'll vacuum pack those and freeze those up and have those at a later date. But definitely when our freezer's starting to get to a point, we do a little inventory check and we say, okay, getting a little low on ground beef. Go get a couple of chubs or a chub of ground beef and pack it up and store it away. At any given time, we'd have 20 pounds of chicken in there, 20 pounds of bacon, 20 pounds of ground beef. We are always prepared. We've got plenty of meat ready to go. So like I said, we basically do like an inventory check on it like once a month, and then go hit one of the stores and pick everything up we need and come in here and spend an afternoon just packing this all up. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to show you this once we get this all cut up. All right, as you can see, I've portioned this up. That pork tenderloin and that chub of beef that we had on the counter here earlier. And take a look at that. Beautiful pork chops right here, tenderloin pork chops. We're going to drop these in the machine. Put those over the seal bar. Close the lid. There you have it, vacuum sealed, beautiful pork chops. Turn another bag, set it over the seal bar, just like that. Close the lid. All right, now let's do the beef. So we got that chub. We divided into 5 2-pound packs. There's a 10-pound chub. Just going to lay it in there over there like that. And close the lid. I'm going to show you what I do to save room in the freezer. As I smash it down, nice and flat, and I can stack this in the freezer and save a lot of room. And I just stack them up like that. Plus, when you go to defrost it, it defrosts a lot faster like that than it does if you keep it in a big chunk like that. So flatten it down, make more space. So you can see how we stack these up. There's all 5 packages, 2 pounds each. Nice and thin. Takes very little space in your freezer. And we even put a date stamp so we know basically our first in, first out method of keeping our circulated product in our freezer. And there's those nice pork chops right there, ready to go.